And now we're introducing the brand new MagSwitch MagDrill Disruptor 30. First of its kind, requires no electricity for the magnetic base, shallow field magnets, automatically contour to any diameter of pipe, 3-inch OD or larger. You can partially engage these magnets and now adjust the drill into the position where we'd like it to get our cutter head exactly where it is. We now completely turn our magnets on to get full strength. Using the Easy Touch panel, activate our drill. Once our drilling has completed, we can turn one magnet off, swivel this away. You notice all the shavings wipe right away from this magnet because it's completely off. We can clean the debris away from our field, inspect our hole, turn this magnet back on, turn the other side off, reverse the process, and I'm ready to drill again.